Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity, ma'am. My name is Prashant. I am from the district. I am recently completed my graduation in the stream of Computer Science Engineering at Guru Nanak Institution. Coming to my diploma, I completed my diploma in Government Polytechnic Siddipet in the stream of Computer Mechanical Engineering, and also completed my SS in my own village, that is Jetpet Salmeda. Uh, I done with two projects. One is the farming system. Second one is cloud computing system. Coming to my strengths and weakness, I have well confidence and I have the good knowledge. Coming to my weakness, I am easy to trust the people. To overcome that, I observe the feelings of other people to deal with that. Thank you.
Yeah. Is Java is independent language?
Yes, ma'am. Java is the object-oriented language. It is used to develop the deal with front end also and also deal with servers also. It is used to anywhere in the running. We can anywhere. We can develop in Windows. We can run in Linux also. It is providing the flexibility and usability and easy to learn.
What are the features of Java?
Java is a platform independent and also it flexibility and usability, easy to learn and easy to get the code. Yes.
Okay. What are the OOPS concepts?
OOPS concept is nothing but there are different types of OOPS concept. First one, class and object and inheritance. Fourth one is polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. These are the OOPS concept. These are the base concept in Java.
Okay. Explain one by one.
Class is used to create the object, and also object is the instance of class. And coming to my abstraction, it is used to hide the provide the uh, provide the method provide the method signature. We hide the method implementation. Encapsulation is nothing but hide the private data members in the data function, and also that's it, ma'am.
What is JVM?
JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is used to execute it is have the Java libraries and Java functionalities. It is used to execute the programs and it is used to run the programs.
What is JVM?
JVM is Java Virtual Machine. It is the libraries all over the what the Java needed, like scanner libraries and main methods. It is using all the libraries in that.
What is JRE?
JRE is nothing but it is used to execute the program and also it will debug the program.
And what is JDK?
JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit. It is used to guide how to develop the program, how to execute the program. It is having some tools to how to create like Eclipse. That's it.
Okay. Tell me difference between JVM and JRE.
Okay, JVM is nothing but Java Virtual Machine. JRE is nothing but Java Realtime Execution. JVM is used to contain the libraries, and JRE is used to how to guide the program.
Okay. What is the difference between Java and JavaScript?
JavaScript is used to functionalities of the to implement the functionality of HTML and CSS. Java is used to develop the front end and back end programs.
Okay. What is public?
Public is a access specifier, access modifier. Is used to by using the public we can use anywhere. We can mention as a public. We can use anywhere within the class or within the package also.
What is static?
Static is nothing but is only static is a single copy nature. We cannot call the static members in non-static members. By creating an object, we can call the static members into non-static members.
Okay. What is void?
Void is a return type. It is if you want to return any data, you can mention it into what type of data you want to return to the main function. You can mention based on the type of data. Void is nothing but is used to main function. We cannot return any value. We can mention as a void.
And what is main?
Main function is nothing but is a method name. It is inbuilt program in Java. By using this main program, we can run the programs.
What is string boot?
String boot is used to handle the front end and back end programming.
What are data types?
Data types are used to what it tells about the what type of data we are using. For example, integer or numerical or float or character or string. There are different types of data types in Java, like integer, float, character, string, boolean. That's it.
Okay. There are two types of data types. Which are that?
Yes, ma'am. Numerical and into character.
Okay.
Primitive and non-primitive data types.
Yeah. Primitive and non-primitive are the data types. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In primitive, which are there?
Primitive we can by you deliver the size of the data type by user defined. Non-primitive there is a fixed size of data memory set, data type memory set.
You know wrapper class?
Wrapper class is used to we can by wrapper class is used in arrays because of column names or rows names are different. By using the wrapper class, we can solve the array problems.
Okay. You know instance variable and local variables. Can you identify the difference between that?
Yes, ma'am. Local variables are we can use anywhere in the program, that is inside the method. Instant variable is outside the method. We cannot access the method is anywhere in the program. We can access only outside the method.
What is class?
Class is used to store implement the data members and data functions.
And what is object?
Object is used to, for example, if we have any starting members, we can by creating an object we can access the starting members into the non-starting members.
Write one program of Fibonacci.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right.
Yes, ma'am. Complete. This is class name as Java. This is the main function. Without main function, we cannot execute any program because I mentioned this. Next, we can take one initial variables n0 equal to 0 and n into n1 equal to 1. These are the integers. First, we can first what is Fibonacci series is nothing but Adding the previous of two numbers is Fibonacci number. First we can declare as 0 is 1 is first two elements in Fibonacci series, then print them system.out.in n0 and n1, then we can print them. Fibonacci series syntax is nothing but adding the two members 0 comma 1, the next number is equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 2. This is the next number in 0 Fibonacci series, because here condition is that we can print n1 into nt equal to n0 plus n1. n0 is 0 plus n1 equal to 1. Then next series number is 2.
Write the output there.
Yes, ma'am. After completion of expression.
Okay.
Okay. Then we can print the n2 of next series. We can, in this syntax there is a logic, because in this this is n1, n0, this is n1, this is n2. We can print to up to 10 numbers in Fibonacci series, because here logic is there n0 equal to n1. Here n0 equal to 0. Yes. n1 equal to 2. Then changing the values into the logic, then only we can print the after condition of I less than or 10, then only we can print the Fibonacci series.
Okay. Write that output.
Your output is that's it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, now okay.
Yes.
You write the program in very brilliant way.
Okay, thank you for
Okay.
that.
And that output is also right you.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
This is
ma'am.
brilliant. I
Thank you.
like your knowledge.
Thank you.
Okay. Now I ask some questions on constructor.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What is constructor?
Constructor is name is same as the class name. It is only access the non-static members. By using the constructor, we can access only non-static members.
Okay. What are the types of constructor?
Default constructor and there are some constructor. Default constructor with the argument constructor, without argument constructor.
Okay. You know about that default constructor?
Default constructor is not in backside of the program. We can create. We cannot created by the user. We can created by your own. By using we declare the class. We can also create, declare a constructor in program.
Okay. In Java, what types of classes perform inheritance? Give me one example.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Nothing but deriving a new class from an existing class. For example, here acquiring the properties of a base class from the super class is called an inheritance. For example, class A. Class A, you have the some variables int A and int B values. This is the about the class A. We have to access the where these variables into the new class. We can deliver, that is by using the inheritance. We can use these variables into the another class. We can to create an inheritance. We are using the extends keyword. By using the extend keyword, we can create the base class. Class B, new class name is B. Extends, where you have to extend from base class. Base class name is class A. Class name is A. This is a syntax of extending a inheriting the new class. You have to use these variables in that also. This is the inheritance. This is a base class. This is a subclass. We have to access the variables in the base class into the subclass. We can using the inheritance. We can use the inheritance concept. This is also called as a parent class. This is also called as a child class.
In that program, which is the parent class?
Parent class is a class A is parent class, ma'am.
And child class?
Child class is class B, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
What are the types of inheritance?
There are different types of inheritance, ma'am. Single level, multi-level, multiple hierarchical inheritance.
Oh.
Single level is nothing but deriving the only one subclass by using the superclass. Multi-level we can use. Multi-level is nothing but deriving the two or more classes from the base class. Multiple inheritance nothing but we have the two parent class, only one child class is nothing but multiple inheritance. Java is not having the multiple inheritance. In inheritance only, interface only the multiple inheritance is supported.
What are loops in Java?
The loops are used to execute the different block of your code in repeated statement. By using the loops, there are different types of loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop. Nested loop are there. These are the loops in Java.
Okay. What is infinite loop?
Infinite loop is nothing but we cannot mention break statement. It continually running the program. By mentioning the break statement, then only stop the execution.
Okay. What is break and what is continue? What is the difference between that?
Break statement is used to stop the program, to run the program by using the break. Continue is nothing but to continue the execution of the program.
Okay. Have you please write one program of repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Repeat number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Completed.
Okay. What is?
This is output, ma'am, for this program. This is repeated character in this string. One is 1, 2, 3. Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed.
Done.
As repeat, we can training the string as A B. We can first of all know the length of the string. Then only we can what are the characters are repeated. We can taking as I is starting from index 0. Then taking another one is J. J less than S dot length. S dot length is length of the string. Here also J less than S dot length. If I are double equal to S of J. If comparing the both characters in this by using the for loop. If so for example here A is there and here is B is there. There is no matching the A equal to B because they exit into the loop. Here is A equal to A. Here these are the condition is true. In this if statement the condition is true, the count is increased by 1. Then after coming to the I plus place, Then is B. B is repeated once and count the B. Here condition is B double equal to B. Here condition is true. I count incremented by 2. And next coming to B. B double equal to B. Here condition is true. The count is incremented by 3. Then the output is 3.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yeah, Prashant, your
Yes.
skills are very good.
Thank
and
you so
have
much,
so much knowledge about Java.
Yes, ma'am.
And you are writing and you are explaining means your doubts are all clear. Okay.
Thank you.
I give me some time. I contact to my senior and tell you what is the result, and I confirm you with my mail ID. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Done.
Thank you for your
Welcome.
time.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.